In this video, I will show you how to download apps on Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. First, you want to head over to the search bar and look for Microsoft Store. Select the Microsoft Store option, and you will be taken to the official store. Here, you can find all kinds of apps, including games and entertainment. You can also use the search bar up top to find specific apps you want. For this example, I will search for the Hulu app. The first search result is the official one. Click on it and select the Get button. The download and installation process will begin. Please wait patiently while it downloads. Upon completion, click on Open. This will take you to the Hulu app. You can opt to pin it in your taskbar and start menu, but I prefer to have it as a desktop shortcut. Once you are done, select Allow. The Hulu app is now available on your laptop or computer. Enjoy!